Brett coming down?
That's not a bone, is it?
That's not a bone.
Branch, not bone.
Branch, okay, bone.
You don't need to get me when I'm sliding down with my mouth wide open.
He is not aware of the danger around him, Brett. It's a valley of fire. It all looks very easy, but it's not.
Lucky you had your safety hat on, Jay.
For his helmet.
You okay, Jace?
Did you bunk your head?
You bumped his noggin.
Say, Brett, don't do that. You gotta help me, mule.
Say bad mule. Bad mule. You're supposed to hurt yourself, not me.
You're almost flying, Jace, aren't you? Is Brett helping you get good, Jace? Yeah? Come on, say something.
He said branch, not bone. Branch, not bone.